This is probably going to ruffle some feathers, but I'm just going to say it. Being on HRT isn't enough. So if you're thinking, I've been doing all the right things, but I still feel like crap, this video is 100% for you. Because today I'm going to show you the 3 sneaky reasons your hormone therapy might not be working. And believe me, your doctor's probably not talking about them. I want to tell you a really short story about a client of mine. We'll call her Sarah. She'd been on this beautiful, high-quality hormone replacement therapy for over a year. She'd always been active. She ate clean, took all the supplements, and yet she couldn't even go on a short walk anymore because it would leave her body just screaming in pain. She was exhausted. Everything hurt. She felt like she was aging in fast forward, and she had gained a fair amount of weight as well. And she came to me so frustrated. There might have been a few tears, and she said, I'm doing everything right. Why do I still feel broken? And this is where I told her something no one else had ever said. It's not just about the hormones. It's about whether your body is actually ready to be able to use them by getting blockages out of the way. And boom, that one shift, it changed everything. So let me show you the 3 secrets to getting HRT to work better. Okay. The first secret, stop hormone leaks. Imagine your body has a bucket for each hormone. Imagine the one for estrogen. Your body is trying to keep that bucket full enough. HRT is pouring more into the bucket, but now imagine the bucket is full of holes. That's what's happening if you've got burned out adrenals. It's like the hormones you're using are taking a wrong turn and never getting to their destination. Blood sugar swings. Blood sugar is a hormone too. Hormones are connected like dominoes. If one is falling, the others fall too. Okay, so blood sugar's all over, estrogen's not going where it's supposed to. Gut issues that block nutrient absorption. No building blocks, no progress. Also cellular health. Hormones need to plug into receptors to be used. If the cells are unhealthy, the receptors are offline. Also lingering post-viral fatigue or even methylation problems. These are not hormonal. HRT won't fix them. They're not included in menopause solutions, but they're like little hormone leaks that can make even the best hormone replacement therapy slip right through your fingers. Well, when we patched Sarah's leaks, wait till you see what that did. Because secret number 2 is to clear the traffic jams. Because now imagine your hormones are like trying to drive down a highway. But there's a giant pileup and the hormones can't get where they need to be for you to use them. What causes this? If your liver is sluggish, if your thyroid is dragging, if you're inflamed, if stress is off the charts, or if you've got autoimmune flares, your hormones can't get to where they need to go. And I want to repeat one of those. A great liver and a powerful detoxification system that works really well, not only does this help hormones go where they need to go, it means less potential side effects from hormone replacement therapy. Because anything you take in that's extra hormones will easily be detoxed and not stored. And these are what I call a hormonal traffic jam. And you can't bypass the traffic jam with more hormones. You got to clean up the road first. And for Sarah, this was just as big an issue as the leaks. And because she had both, it's why she was having such a hard time getting results, even with this beautiful HRT. Last secret is to upgrade your diet and lifestyle. And this is a big one, and I'm going to say it with love. Just because something is healthy does not mean that it's hormone friendly. So the salads and green smoothies, the running, the calorie cutting that worked in your 20s, it's not cutting it anymore. Your hormones need protein, healthy fats, smart carbs, and fiber, and plenty of them. Your hormones need strength training, a healthy gut, a powerhouse of a liver, better blood sugar balance, better metabolism, happy adrenals, happy cells, less stress, more sleep, and a real plan that includes all of that. Not just hormonal support. It's kind of like switching from Post-its to a shopping list app. New system, new rules, better results. Once we rewired Sarah's routine, mostly we just stopped the leaks and cleared the traffic jams because she already had so much else going on. In 12 weeks, she was back to biking and hiking and even camping again. Pain-free. Okay? So here's the thing. You can throw all the hormones into your body that you want. But if you're leaking, blocked, and underfueled, you won't get the results you deserve. But when you patch the leaks, clear the traffic jams, and maybe upgrade your lifestyle, it's like your hormones finally click into place. And yes, this works whether you're on HRT or going 100% natural with herbal hormonal support. I mean, think how much easier it is to fill up a bucket that doesn't have holes in it. If you want to see exactly how to do this step by step, I've put together a free masterclass for you. Click the link below. I'll walk you through it all. The leaks, the traffic jams, the hormonal support, how HRT stacks up against herbal support, the lifestyle upgrades, and how it all fits into one hormone-friendly 3-step plan. No fluff, no jargon, just real solutions for real women. Because feeling amazing after 40 or after 60 is not luck, it's strategy. Go watch the masterclass now, and I'll see you there.